I'm not going anywhere, you stupid bitch.
How come we're with this little kid then?
It's my cousin's little boy.
I think I'm on the spectrum sometimes, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Johnny's your son too.
And so was Brandon!
Little Brian's dad there, watching us.
Let my man go now! I made it! I'm the one that killed Brandon!
I hear the sound that goes beneath angels in the sky. And I'm straight into the light on the surface, light on the other side.
Glenn!
Feel the
Glenn!
pages turning.
Glenn!
I see the candle burning down
Glenn!
before my eyes, before my wild eyes. I feel you holding me tighter. I cannot see. When will we finally breathe?
Glenn! 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 I can't help you! I'm leaving you! Right. I'm sorry.
And I feel the pages turning. I see the candle burning down before my eyes, before my wild eyes. And I feel you hold
Scott, why'd you go outside on the floor ripped up?
Don't, mate. She's got me to change the lock, so you're not going to get in.
What? Well, I haven't even had time to
You
get
knew it was
off
coming, Scott, because you boxed your things. Just come through, I'll show you where they are.
Hey, just tell me where Sadie's gone. It's her that's done all this.
We've got an extra couple of weeks out of it, Scott. She's been quite sound, really.
She hasn't. I hate her. Just tell me where she is.
Well, she was at the Gare last evening for some reason.
Yeah, I need to know where she went after.
Well, after what?
Oh, not for you.
This is Police Interceptors. Fighting crime in one of Britain's toughest areas. Open the door.
Yeah, Scott. You alright? Oh, come in. I've been trying to phone you. I've been trying to call you all day. What's the matter? Can't you go back to your flat? I tell you what, Scott. I've had a day from hell and all. You know, after I was come off the phone to you earlier, I go over at the park and I seen O'Brien. And I thought, wow, do you know what? I don't care anymore. I've just stood there and waited till someone seen me. Probably go and tell his mum. See what happens there. We all know. But you know what though, like it's true though, isn't it? I mean, you see all these dads going around here with the kids. I don't think you deserve to have them. Drug dealers, and then you get genuine people who can't see the kids, and it, you know, it really pisses me off. You know, like, what did I do wrong? I just met one bad person and that's it. Life ruined. Heartache, heartbreak. You know, you probably don't even care, do you?
Was that not what I said all along? And everyone hated me for it, but nobody hates you for it, do they?
Scott, are you alright? I know you got kicked out of your flat. You're never homeless when you've got me. What's wrong?
It's like being back in the house with Dad.
Well, do you know what, Scott? I'm not happy now. Because I'm getting absolutely fed up of being the only one that cares about you, and you just throw it in my face every single time. I haven't told you yet, have I?
Told me what?
I'm joining the force again. I'm going back to Cleveland Police.
You're doing what? This is the thing with you, Craig. You're trying way too hard to be like Dad.
How?
You can't just be your own person. This is why me and you don't get along.
How can you say we don't get on when you sat in my house, on my sofa, assuming you probably want to sleep there too?
Yeah, I did, until I found out you were a copper. And a copper that can't even see his own kids, by the way. And instead of doing anything about it, you're sitting here ranting.
What was that?
Well, it's true, isn't it?
Eh?
Well, it's true. Because you don't scare me, Craig. It is true. You can't see him. And instead of doing anything and being out there and trying to fight it, talking to his mum, talking to the people that were there, and instead you're here telling me, when to be honest with you, I don't care. I've got a lot worse things to worry about.
What is wrong with you? Seriously, does something happen? Tell me. What's happened?
After you've just told me you're a copper, I won't tell you a thing.
Mate, like, this is what I can't get my head around. Like, your brother's a copper, and you don't want his help. I can help you so much. Like, you forget, we grew up on the Ings. I don't know what it is with people your age and your generation, and not being what you should and what you can be and your potential. What is it with you?
What?
It's like you're all just desperate to live this gangster life, and you've all came from a good place. It makes no sense. I know you did too, Scott, so why?
I don't like either side. The police are corrupt, and that includes you. And all these scumbags who get away with everything.
Well, this is the problem. Nobody reports anything. Why don't you report it?
It's nothing to report. It's not even like that. I've only ever had one friend.
My tea's gone cold, I'm wondering
What?
You're still wearing Gran's ring. I've got Grandpa's. I thought our family just meant nothing to you. Why would you still wear it?
Yeah, well, I mean, why do you still keep this? When your son clearly means nothing to you.
You're a right horrible sod, aren't you? You really are nasty, aren't you? After everything I went through with Brian, everything with his mum, you knew everything. He means the world to me, and you can sit there and say that now. And what did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? Seriously. And it's like all she did was try and find excuses, reasons, to gaslight me, get my reaction. I didn't react. I'm still in this position now. And what did I do wrong? And when you blame them bruises on me, there's no way I'd do that. I don't even have a temper. Why would I hurt my own son?
Do you know what? I'm sick of this. It's all you bang on about. It's all Mum and Dad bang on about. That's why I ran away to Newcastle. And that didn't work out, so now I've had to come back, and I'm still hearing about it.
And I tell you what, it was proven it wasn't me, and that wasn't enough for her. But those bruises came from somewhere, and someone. And I need to find out.
Well, I mean, come on, Craig. It was probably her trying to set you up, wasn't it?
Well, it's my job to protect him, and I'm not letting this go on. And this is going to end. I am going to sort this.
Come on, Craig. You've been saying this for years. It's not like becoming a cop is going to get you there, is it? How's that going to help you?
Because I actually do want to see justice, and this is what I'm doing about it. Because I'm affected from this, and I'm going to make a change. What are you doing?
Do you know what it is, Craig? I'll tell you what I did about it. I was part of a vigilante group.
No, you weren't.
And then when they started going the same way, I was the one that brought it down.
I didn't know you had any involvement.
Johnny Robinson, Tommy Patterson, I knew them all.
So when I heard you on the radio, you're talking about that Brandon. That was the group.
I lied. Johnny shot him that day. And I can talk about it now. Because Johnny's dead.
Well, what happened to him, Scott?
I was at the Gare. And it was that Sadie. It was her fault. Johnny was there. And he killed Glenn. They both got dragged in the water. But she's gonna get away with it.
Do you know how serious this is, Scott? I'm gonna have to phone this in. This Sadie, she was there, wasn't she? She was there that night at the Gare when you supposedly jumped in.
It's the person you caught me arguing with when you found me.
I need to know where she is.
No, seriously.
Scott, I'm a police officer. You can't stop me from doing my job.
The last thing I need is your help. I haven't even got a chance to process it yet. You're already jumping in.
Right. Who could help you any more than me?
I don't need help.
I knew you needed protecting. That's why I came and found you.
I don't need protecting. This is my point.
What is it with you? Why wouldn't you let me help, Scott? Why have you got to be such a grump, so fed up? Why wouldn't you let me in? What is it?
I don't need your help. Stop acting like you're always on duty.
Alright. But whenever you're ready, Scott, I'm here.
I would've walked through hell to find another way. I would've laid me down if I knew that you would stay. I would've crossed the stars to keep you in my life, but now I'm falling home without you here tonight. Without you here tonight.
me.
Those bruises came from somewhere.
I would have walked through hell to find another way. I would have laid me down if I knew that you would stay. I would have crossed the stars to keep you in.